Let us go ahead and look at 2023 question number 9B. Read the question. A discriminating monopolist firm produces two goods whose demand functions are given to you. So you're given the demand function P1 and P2. It says knowing that the cost function is this, you're given the cost function. Solve for profit maximizing problem, find out x1, x2, p1 and p2. Okay, let us go ahead and let us try to create a profit function now. So the profit function of the monopolist will be p1, price he sets in market 1, into the quantity he sells in market 1, plus p2, price of market 2 into quantity of market 2, minus his cost, right? So this is going to be p1. x1, so p1 ki jagah pe I will just replace 12 minus x1 into x1 plus instead of p2 I will write 36 minus 5x2 into x2 minus instead of cost function I will write down 2x1 x2 plus 15, right? So this will go ahead and become 12x1 minus x1 square plus 36x2 minus 5x2 square minus 2x1 x2 minus 15. Now we need to go ahead and maximize the profit. So differentiate this with respect to x1 and I will get 12 minus 2x1 minus 2x2 equal to 0. Differentiate profit function with respect to x2 and I will get 36 minus 10x2 minus 2x1 equal to 0. You have got two equations, two variables. Solve the two equations simultaneously. So the first equation goes ahead and gives you x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. And the second equation goes ahead and gives you x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 18. From the first equation, I can find out the value of x1 and put it here. So I will get 6 minus x2 plus 5x2 is equal to 18. So I will go ahead and get 6 plus 4x2 is equal to 18. 4x2 is equal to 12. This means I will get x2 as 12 by 4. That means 3. So my x1 will become 6 minus x2. That means 3. So I will be selling the same quantity in the two markets. I will be selling 3 units in each market, right? Now what I can go ahead and I can do better. So I can find out P1. So P1 will be, what was the function given to me? 12 minus x1. So 12 minus 3, that means 9. And P2, which is given to me as 36 minus 5x2. So 36 minus 5 into 3, that means 15. So this is going to be 21. This is going to be 21, right? You can also put P1 and P2 in your profit function and find out the profit, right? So just go ahead and put it in this function. So this is going to be 3 into 3 plus 21 into 3 minus 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18 minus 15. So this is going to be 9 plus, this is not 3. This is 12 minus 3. This is 9 beta. P1 was 9, na? Yes. So 9, 18, 27. So this is 27. And this is 63 minus 18 minus 15. 9 plus, so this is going to be 9, right? This is going to be a profit. Now what we need to do, we need to also check the second order condition. So to check the second order condition, I will differentiate my profit function again with respect to x. So when I will be different with respect to x1, so when I will be differentiating this again with respect to x1, I will get the answer as -2. I will differentiate my profit function with respect to x2. So when I will be differentiating this part, again with respect to x2, I will get -10. And when I will be differentiating the x1 part with respect to x2, that means this one with respect to x2, I will get -2. Right? So you can go ahead and you can see that your A is less than 0 and your AC minus B square. That is, so this is your A beta, right? This is your B and this is your C. So AC is 20 minus 4. That means this is going to be 16, which is greater than 0. So we can go ahead and say that therefore there is a maxima. Therefore there is a maxima. So we have gone ahead and we have said that a maxima is achieved. So this is how you can go ahead and solve this. Okay, beta, thank you.